Hi everyone, my name is John Eric Enben.
And I am Irene Jansigay.
Today we're going to inspire some Filipino hearts, especially in the diaspora, who risk their lives abroad just for the sake of their families.
The video is all about diaspora, and this video was made for fulfilling the final requirement of art appreciation under Ma'am Annalyn Renis.
When I was 10 years old, I watched my mother pack her suitcase. It was not a trip for a leisure or adventure, but it was for survival. She was leaving for a land that accent betrayed her, and her skin might set her apart. But she smiled and said, "Anak, this is for us." That single act, her stepping into the unknown, was the first lesson I ever learned about resilience. Today, I want to talk about resilience and reinvention. It is the story of Filipino diaspora, a story that spans oceans and generations. But more importantly, it is the story that inspires us to evolve while staying deeply connected to who we are.
But resilience is not about survival, it's about thriving. Filipinos abroad are not simply adapting, they are reinventing themselves. Consider Jose, who migrated to Canada as a janitor, but later became a chef, infusing adobo and sinigang into local cuisine. Or Maria, who left the Philippines to work as a caregiver in Italy, only to open her own business and create a bridge between Filipino and Italian cultures. These stories teach us something wonderful, that reinvention doesn't mean forgetting where we came from. Instead, it's about weaving the thread of our culture into the tapestry of a new life.
Being Filipino isn't just about geography. It's about value, resilience in the face of hardships, compassion to others, and pride in our roots. Even as we adopt, we carry our culture in the songs we sing, the food we cook, and the stories we tell. And to those who are at home or in diaspora, let us celebrate this shared journey. Let us remember that wherever we are in the world, we are connected by our spirit. Our spirit that refuses to give up, our spirit that reinvents, and a spirit that inspires.
So today, I challenge you, be resilient, be proud, and above all, be the light of others who are still finding their way.